Good morning, Shuprabhat, bonjour, hola, what else? Sat Shri Akal, Assalamu alaikum. Trying to greet every person out there, but of course I can't. I don't know all the languages. Ohio gozaimasu, that's another one I know. But anyways, welcome back to another vlog, and there are only 5 days to go. So today's goal is, if you guys have watched our previous vlog, you saw we met our friends. It was super fun. The food was super delicious. We had so much fun. We came almost at midnight, after midnight actually, at home. So this morning we are starting today's vlog with another goal in mind, because Tanya and I, we are going right now to get our car serviced. It wasn't due for service. There is still some oil life left, but since it's a long drive, I just want to make sure that we get it serviced, we get the air pressure checked, the alignments checked, wipers changed, everything done, all set to go. So that's why we are gonna go right now. Tanya is putting some clothes for washing, so that by the time we come back, they are washed. The potatoes are boiled. We are gonna be making aloo paratha today. So everything is in motion since morning. We have already freed up Marvel this morning. It's 10 o'clock right now. We are done with everything. So now once we get our car done, the goal for this weekend is to pack every single thing that you see up here. We had few items up here because we were cooking. What we are going to do is cook as much we can for a couple of days. Keep it in the fridge. We have use and throw containers for that. And then we are gonna just pack everything. I'm gonna detach the TVs. I'm gonna take them down from the mounts, wall mounts. I'm gonna take off my extra screen monitors, the big painting, everything. So it's gonna be an exciting day today. Remember, 5 more days to go. If you haven't subscribed, please go hit that subscribe button, because it makes Tanya really angry if you haven't subscribed, and I'm the one who actually gets that anger. So please go hit that subscribe button right now. Pause the video, hit the subscribe button, stay tuned for a lot of things to come, and we are gonna see you after we are done getting our car serviced. Longer than we expected because it's Saturday and they are pretty busy. So it's 1:10 now, and we just came back home. We met him and it takes 5 minutes for you to meet him when you go for a long time. We are not hungry. We picked spicy chicken nuggets on our way from Wendy's, and we had those, just a little small appetizer. And now she's gonna make tahari, and she's gonna make enough for like at least 2 meals. And she already boiled the potatoes for aloo paratha, so we are gonna cook a lot of meals today and keep them. In an hour or so, we are gonna meet our movers to finalize the timeline, and he's gonna just come and take a final look at the house and everything. So that's gonna happen in an hour, but we're not hungry, so no rush. She's just gonna, yeah, she's gonna take bath, she's gonna cook the meal, and then we'll have lunch, and we'll show you when we have lunch a little later today. We just got done with our movers, and pretty much everything is packed now, except we are gonna do meal prep, and that is the only thing that's outside. That's it. So it's gonna be maybe 1 or 2 boxes more that Tanya and I are gonna do after we do the meal prep, and that's it. So
is it here again on Thursday?
yes, so they are gonna be here on Thursday night or evening, whatever, and then they'll just finish up all the packing. Mal, come out. So you would see the painting, the big painting is gone. It's all wrapped up over there. The degrees, the monitors are all going in here. This monitor is detached, that monitor is halfway done, but everything else is packed in here, so all good. Everything else is packed in here, so all good over there. All the closets, drawers, everything is empty. He came and packed these new boxes over here with the rest of the fragile stuff, such as the china cabinet racks, which were made up of glass, and some other stuff. So I think we are looking in a pretty good shape. He is it's not gonna take too long to load up on Friday now. So I think we're all set. lunch o'clock, which is pretty late right now because it's past 3. And look at the delicious tehri she made.
Oh, this is all
So she made this tehri with
potato, onion, tomato, and
soya chunks.
and this much of cauliflower. Basically, everything that I have.
That was leftover. We have at least one more time of meal in there. So like I said, we made a little extra, so we're gonna have our lunch and then we're gonna keep that for tomorrow. In the evening we are gonna make some aloo paratha, and then we are gonna also making that for 2 times, so that will be leftover as well. Oh boy, so now we are finally gonna have our lunch, enjoy our lunch, watching some Walking Dead, because
It doesn't. Yeah.
we gotta finish that too before we leave.
It doesn't feel like Saturday today. It's like there's so much work to do.
Well, yes, we did keep a lot of things to wind up this weekend, so we have to finish a lot of work this weekend. So let's enjoy the lunch for now. हम हो चुके हैं बोर इतना कि करने को कुछ नहीं रहा. Okay, that was enough. We are super bored.
Yeah.
Most of the stuff is
I
packed.
just don't want to be sitting home.
Yeah, even though we have been going outside almost this whole morning, but now we are just going out to do window shopping because we cannot buy anything, because then we'll have to pack that and make a new box, and that ain't happening. So we are just gonna go look around, come back. So the dinner plan changed drastically because we were not, after the busy day, we were not feeling like cooking anything. So we anyways have the mixture for aloo paratha prepared, but look what we are having. We are having a Brooklyn style pizza. So we are having a Brooklyn style pizza. We have the hot brownies, marble brownies, and then we have cheesy garlic bread.
Mine's favorite.
My favorite. And then we have some pepper flakes. So this is what we are having for dinner tonight. And oh my god, Tanya has been telling, Tanya reminded me that this is our last weekend in Florida.
Yeah.
So that's kind of
Celebrate it.
crazy. So we are celebrating our last weekend in Florida.
Yes.
So yeah, this is crazy. Time just flies. I remember in September we made this decision and everything seemed so far away. And now suddenly everything is just happening in 5 days. So we are gonna go enjoy our pizza and watch some Chalte Firte Murde.
Oh my god, seriously, babe? Basically, Brooklyn style was my request, and he always gets the bread.
This is my
so
request.
both requests. And I got a super big pimple here. I got it here, and he got it over here.
Yep, right over here.
Anyways, let's enjoy the food.
Good morning, everyone. So last night we slept, we had pizza, we slept, we couldn't finish it, there's some more pizza left. We are wide awake and enjoying our green tea since we have so much. And we didn't give walk tomorrow because there's a hurricane warning issued in the area. Hurricane Eta is on its way. So it's like a tropical storm warning issued in our area, and it's raining cats and dogs. So
Took him out, he took him pee, and
yeah, it was very funny. I really hope you should have seen that, how I took him out.
Shit.
But in the spur of the moment, we couldn't just remember to record it. It was super funny how I took him out. But anyways, he is our Johannes, so he was under the umbrella while I was getting wet, and he pooped and peed, but we'll have to take him out again as soon as the rain stops. While this last weekend continues in Florida, we are seeing one last weather disaster too. Hurricane and this and that. It's very common, it's not like that. But anyways, we are still enjoying. Today is the day when we plan to pack everything else. Everything that's outside should go in the boxes by the end of the day today. So that's the plan for the day. And we were just talking how much meal prep we want to do. So we are not gonna do anything else. Just the parathas and the tahari. Look at him.
He's on this.
He always
Marble
steal the scrunchies.
Marble baby.
Tanya's scrunchies, and that's what he is looking for. Marble. He always looks for this, and then he tries to come up here, and he's not allowed to.
So basically, what we are trying to do is plan.
Marble, no. Ram, no, that box. We need that box. We have here. Take the tweeter. Sit.
So what we are planning to do is basically make aloo paratha, how much ever aloo we have with that, and then I guess we're gonna go to Walmart or Publix and then get those ready to eat meals, like already made pasta that you can just heat it up in the microwave, something like that. So that's what we are planning, and a little bit of food from outside.
Maybe we'll go to Trader Joe's and get good ones.
Trader Joe's doesn't have much variety though. Alright, I was editing a video and I came to kitchen and look at this. He has been making parathas, but I don't know whether you guys can see, but there's so much of smoke in here.
You know why?
Why?
Because he has a low heat temperature.
Oh, I see.
So even at 6 I'm cooking, it's producing more smoke.
Ooh, he's making aloo parathas over here. Look at that. So we are making all of them and keeping it. We're keeping the extra because, you know, we're gonna eat for like tomorrow or stuff like that. But yeah, that is what's going on. We're gonna have aloo paratha for lunch right now, and I'm gonna make some tea for myself because I have the last bit of tea, the tea leaf over here. As you can see, just this much that I'm gonna use right now. And yeah, that is how the day is going. And once we're done with our meal, we're gonna pack up every single thing.
Right, lunch is ready. Paratha with little butter. I take hot and sweet. I love it. Look at the parathas. They came out really good. And Tanya have mango pickle over here. She loves
Butter and
mango pickle.
Sugar yogurt.
Yeah, she takes sugar yogurt. I take salt yogurt.
We are a combination. We are a combination of sweet and salty.
Yes, so now we are gonna enjoy our lunch and then watch an episode, and then after that we'll just pack everything. Marvel just sneaked on our bed that he never does. Why are you sleeping on mommy daddy's bed, baby? You never do this. Why are you so sleepy? Why are you sleeping on my bed? You don't like your bed anymore? Oh, are you kissing our bed?